when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card, you don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Every time it's a blessing and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Go ahead and tell your friends, talk it out but it won't end. You are never true to heart, you need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card, you don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Every time it's a blessing and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card, you don't have to play hard. You love and let go, boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Every time it's a blessing and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it.
And guys, I'm looking for a new kettle and the iron. As you saw in my last vlog, my iron igugile, and I'm looking for a new iron, a shabu, and then I'm looking for a new ironing board, because the one I have, it's too old and I can't use it anymore. As you saw on my last vlog, I was ironing on top of the bed. Guys, a lady like me, so I need to buy a new iron and the new ironing board. So and after I was craving for a McFlurry, so after I'm done at Jet Home, I went to McDonald's to buy a McFlurry. Yeah guys, because McFlurry is my favorite ice cream, is my favorite dessert anyway, so I went to McDonald's to get it.
Never been this close to heaven, never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven, I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care that seasons change.
want to change the bedding, I'm going to do it with you. Yeah guys, I'll see you. I'm going to see you later. Bye guys. Guys, please subscribe, comment, and like and share, please. I'll see you guys on later. Bye.
Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy, never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah. I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in.
My son just came back from school. Hey, look how dirty the picnic is. He only wore it today, but we are Zala, so but I always expect this because from Zala. I expect especially a boy child. Look how he is. He's tired, he's also tired. Hey guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. I just woke up, my shoes, and then I want to cook because we have a load shedding at 5. We have a load shedding at 4, and our electricity does not come back, guys. So if I don't cook now, it means today we are going to eat takeout or bread. So I have to cook now before 4. Because they don't come back at 6. I know it will come back around 9 or 10. So I'm going to cook with you guys. Very simple meal. So yeah guys, see you later. Bye.
They say they not fucking with me, alright. When shawty looking at me, she want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things, but right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, been shaking my sauce, been writing these songs since 40 and key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, shit 3D printed. I be doing me like I got a blank check. I be thinking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me, no drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. Laid up in somebody grass, I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna beat me, I'm trying to do Fiji, I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
But don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start. Gotta watch step on a tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Lord knows it's God's work.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, send me to you. Hey, where you at, where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day.
Welcome to another day of this vlog. Today it's the last day. I'm closing this vlog after this. It's Friday morning. I'm going to work, but I want to do a little get ready with me and do my makeup, and then I'm going to close this vlog. Please guys, please subscribe, comment, share the video with your friends, with your family. I love you so much, guys. Bye. Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm
but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spin further down the rabbit hole. Down to go, down to go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. In the past, worry about the present. How do I make it last? Oh, make it last. In the past, thinking about the future. Is it gonna be like that? 'Cause I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts.
tongue tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Yeah. Get like this. Yeah. Get like it, like this. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that